You're peeling the egg. Binabalatan niya yung egg. Ang galing na magbalat ni Baby Faith. Expert na siya. Ha?
Happy the scars on the book.
Stars? Ah, you make a star. Play-Doh stars. Malabo yung...
Boom.
Kasi may plastic. Basa yung kamay ko. Ay, what happened? What happened? Ha? David, why? What happened? Ha? David have a meltdown. Yeah. Oh, let's say hi to... Ay! Natapos na yung balatan yung egg, oh. Look at Baby Faith, oh. Just wait, okay, David? Just wait, okay? Just wait. Ah, okay. Oh, just wait because
it's passing the broom.
Brother
Just
Manuel
wait,
is
okay?
in.
It
Look,
will take 5 minutes. Wait 5 minutes,
Yeah.
okay? Can you wait 5 minutes?
Okay.
Okay, only 5 minutes.
Baby Faith peel the egg and then she eat it. Good girl. And my Kuya David. Down. Say hi to Mama Lola. Say hi. Good morning to Mama Lola, Papa Lolo, Tita.
Hi to Tita.
Okay. Ganyan siya pag may meltdown. David, okay. Calm down. Inhale, exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Hingang malalim. Hingang malalim. Okay? Okay, you need a hug. Oh, hug. Tight. Okay. David. Okay, calm down, okay? David. Uy, lalo man. Okay na. Lalo man siyang lumalaoy. David, enough na, okay?